Hello! In this video I will show you how to install RAR application on OPPO K13x. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in RAR. Now click search and click install. Now click open and click here to allow this app to manage your files, and now you can go back. Then click allow and click dismiss. And as you can see, my app is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.